Yeah, find the nearest one, then you go.
Oh.
Right, welcome to day 3. We are joined by Manir disorder.
Wow, I really don't find out.
Hi Panir.
Hey.
It's 6:50. And now we're headed to Genting lah. So yeah, see you later. We just parked at opposite Resort World's Genting.
Hello.
Hi. And yeah, the rest of the beds all in the bike lot.
Oh, shit.
Wow, the clouds are coming in.
Clouds are coming?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Good weather. Alright, class 2 back because the bikes are hot and then the weather is cooling. Yeah. Right, so we're gonna get a drink at somewhere here and probably head up to Fraser Hills. Some of us will be heading up Yeah. How was the ride up to Genting?
Quite good.
How was the cornering?
Cornering, I tried my best, but I tried my best, but I almost hit the longkang.
Huh?
Then I come back up.
Hey. Okay lah. Mazan say, oh, you ready to go Sepang already? So maybe next year maybe I do a vlog. Mazan will be at Sepang.
Okay, so for the ride up to Genting, I think the roads were not up to my expectations. There were quite a few potholes. But it was fun overtaking the cars, the corners. That's the fun part.
True. Yeah. I agree. It's nice to have some twisties after riding in the expressway for so long. Sorry? Okay. Probably ride up Fraser after this. Bye bye. Bye bye. Yeah, that's right. nice.
Bye.
I'm going to gamble.
Hey, that was right. YouTube video coming out.
Casino, casino. You are staying over here to gamble.
So we're gonna take a picture at a resolvable Genting sign and then just make our move to Fraser Hills. Yeah. Okay, see you all at Fraser.
So at this point we have already entered the route to Fraser Hill. As you all can see, it's a one lane for each direction lah, and the roads are really not in the best condition. As you all can see, there was sand, rocks and lots of leaves at the side. My tire did slip a bit a couple of times lah while I was in the bend, but all's good, I did not drop the bike, thankfully. Yeah, and the route up was really mentally draining. It was bends after bends. And when I looked down on my phone, distance wasn't decreasing as fast as I thought it would. Like after like a few minutes, I looked down, it was still another 15 km. Then like, wow, it wasn't really encouraging, but we pushed through and we reached the Fraser Hills sign. We took a picture with it, and after that it was a one-way up lah, so it was much safer. But yeah, still roads weren't in the best condition, but this meant that we were like catching up to the cars in front. Thankfully they gave way to us lah, and after many more bends we reached the Fraser Hill, and yeah, we stopped to take a picture there and have our dinner. I think you would say dinner lah.
ஐயனை கூகுள் ஃபோட்டோ போட்டுச்சா?
Hey, good this like they report for inappropriate content. Hey, what?
How did he go up?
Finally, after so long, we reached Fraser Hill. We took photo at the clock tower, and we are now getting some food before we head back down.
800 km only. 100 km only. 100 km only. 100 km only. You want to do it again or not? Go and do it again or not? I want to do it again. I need to go down, come back up to take my normal video.
I want to do it every day to go to work.
I took time lapse.
I love it so much. Every day I want to see the hill.
But I took time lapse. My head pains. I look at the video.
I want to experience the feeling of maybe not reaching home.
This kind of ride is like once in a lifetime kind of ride. Do once enough already.
I don't know where you're going. I don't know because I took time lapse when we at the highway. Then I continued time lapse.
Can you not slow it down?
They auto determine me from the length of the video.
Yeah, I should have done a time lapse also lah. Totally forgot about it. Yeah. Probably eat here, then we will head back down. Yeah. Maybe tonight.
Let's come back up again.
Do it again.
Not too sure, maybe clubbing. That's about it for today lah guys. Bye.
I just.
Pioneer, tell me how was the ride?
Fucking terrible. Coming from a Malaysian, he hates his country.
Funny is lying, he love it. Yeah, he actually moving here tomorrow already. Migrating to Fraser.
He left the commute and last ride to Fraser.
Work at Kulai and come down every day.
So yeah, this was the last video I took for the day. After our meal here, we headed back to our Airbnb. Some of us went out for dinner, so some of us went to attend a concert, and some of us went out to club later at night lah. Yep, so that's all for day 3. Thank you for watching the vlog. Prof Vlogs out.
Hey, I already film you a lot of time. I have to just cut it up.